Howdy folks, what's going on? This is Koji, and welcome to a tutorial video I decided to put up on here. And I apologize that I haven't been on YouTube for the last, long time. Some stuff has been, I've just been preoccupied with other things as well as, well, life happens, and I actually, as you can notice, I've got a new camera up here. One of the last Windows updates had screwed up the FPS on my older camera, and I just couldn't get it to work as well, which is kind of strange. The older camera worked just fine until the Windows Update decided to make it not work anymore, which, Windows Updates shouldn't break anything, which is why I'm going to show you why this is different now, or that it kind of sucks that it's this different. You used to be able to adjust your high contrast settings, customizably, completely customizable, through your theme settings, and then they got rid of that, and then you had to go through ease of access to be able to adjust your transparency and color of your window borders and everything like that. As you see, I've got this really cool black and green theme going on here, and I like being able to do that and making it customizable like that, and I don't know why Windows is trying to make it harder for you to find that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a command that you can use when you hit Windows key R for run. I'm going to take this command here and I'm going to copy paste it in the description for you guys so that you can copy paste it into your run bar or run box. You hit OK, and here it is. Change the color of windows and text. You can completely customize everything here with whatever color and shade of that color that you would like, which is, I don't know why they're trying to get rid of it. I don't think that's very smart. This is one of the cooler features of Windows, or at least I've thought it was cool ever since Windows 98. I've been doing this ever since Windows 98, Windows XP, and I'm just used to it this way. So I like doing it this way, and I'm pretty sure that there's others that like to do it this way as well. So if you want to have your high contrast settings completely customizable, again, you'll go into your Windows key run, you'll type this command in, or you'll copy paste this command in that I'm leaving in the description for you, hit OK, and then boom, here you go. Then you can save changes there, and you can even save it as a theme if you'd like. I've got mine all saved. If you take a look here in my theme settings, personalize, and themes, you can see I've got a bunch of different themes that I've got: pink and black, purple black, sky blue black, and all that stuff. Because I wanted to make a bunch of different ones, just in case they got rid of it completely, and then you'd have to force it through with downloading a theme or something. But you don't need to do that. You just need to go into this little spot here, click OK, and then you'll have your window here to adjust that. So, Katie, I'm on the camera here. Shh. Apologize for the cat. So anyway, that's how you'll do that. And so for those of you who are doing the high contrast stuff, do not fear, it's still available. Hopefully they don't remove this somehow, which I wouldn't be surprised if they tried to. Anyway, like if you like, comment and subscribe if you feel so inclined, and as always, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Take it easy.